We just made this super easy mason jar centerpiece on this Auntie Tay takeover, and we'll show you how we did it right now. Ooh. What is up? Welcome back to another fantastically freaky Friday. It's another October takeover. But if you like to do it, build it, or make it, we do that every week on our channel too. This week, we're doing something with mason jars. We're gonna paint them, make them look all fall-tastical.
We're making a centerpiece for our table for the fall. So we're gonna paint these mason jars using these Auntie Tay chalk paints in Tangerine, Spring, Rain, Ellie, and Royal.
Man, that rain seems to show up in every one of our projects.
It's a really cool color. You can get these chalk paints at shopauntietay.com, and you can get yourself a discount using our coupon code K&G Make It.
Step 1, paint your mason jars. It's an easy step. I'm going in hard with Tangerine.
And I'm going opposite bold with Royal. Royale. It's really Royal.
Sounds better as Royale.
I think the Royale would have an E at the
I'd
end.
like a Royale with cheese, please.
Alright, I like how you got that upside down. I think I'm gonna use it.
Step 2, make your little box. We got a 1x5 and we cut it up so that we can make our little box. We'll leave the dimensions of our box down below, but we had to measure the jars to determine how big our box was, and we noticed there's lots of different sized jars out there. Just gonna pin my box together with some 1-inch brad nails. Alright, that's what we got so far. I think we're gonna paint it. We're painting this?
Yes, so we're gonna paint that in Blanco.
Oh, Blanco. Everything's Blanco and rain. Step 3, we're gonna distress the jars a little bit.
Yep, jars are all dry now. We're just going to use our sandpaper and clean off the rim a little because the paint kind of, I don't know, like it's pooled up there. It's not like I'm drinking out of it, but we'll just neaten it up a little. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. See, that's nice. And then maybe, yes, maybe distress the word ball, kind of bring that out a little bit. A little bit dusty. Whew.
Yeah. Alright, we just distressed them a little bit. Front and back. Boom!
Look at that. That
Almost
looks great. Get these out of the way.
Alright, that's what we got so far. But we said centerpiece. So this is just a piece. There's no centerness to it.
Now I think we should wrap them in a little thing right here. Oh, that's like the perfect length. So
yay.
all right, so that's our centerpiece, and I think next up we'll add some fall flowers. What do you say? What do you say?
I say flower it up.
All right, your job is to snip the flowers, and I'll put them in the jars. There.
Oh wow, looks great.
I'm gonna put this in the front because it looks so good. Yeah, look at that.
All right, that's what we got. Looks great, babe.
I love it.
Let's go find a table to put this on. We're gonna go find something to make this the center of.
Would be our kitchen table.
Oh, we can put it there.
All right, good job.
If you guys like this week's video, go ahead and give us a like. Leave us a comment. Tell us what colors we could have used or something we could have done better. Tips, tricks are always welcome. And don't forget, head over to our channel. Go that way. Whatever that way is. Check us out. Kim and Garrett Make It. We'll see you guys on the other side.